Hi guys, we are back with another video. Tired of BlueStacks hogging your PC's power? If you're rocking a low-end rig and want to dive into the world of Android gaming on PC, you've come to the right place. BlueStacks is a popular choice, but it can be a bit of a resource hog. Fear not, fellow gamers. We've got some fantastic alternatives that will let you enjoy your favorite Android games without breaking a sweat. Let's explore these top-notch emulators that are perfect for low-end PCs. So let's start the video. Ever wished you could play your favorite mobile games on your big PC screen? That's where emulators come in. They're like magic software that tricks your computer into thinking it's an Android phone. This lets you enjoy games like BGMI, PUBG Mobile, and more, right on your desktop. Whether you're a developer testing apps or a gamer looking for a bigger screen, emulators are a fantastic way to experience the mobile world on your PC. Meet Nox Player, the lightweight gaming champion. If you're looking for a simple and efficient emulator, Nox Player is a fantastic choice. It's designed with gamers in mind, so it's easy to use and doesn't hog your PC's resources. You can customize controls, connect your favorite controller, and even automate repetitive tasks with keyboard shortcuts. While it's great for many games, it's worth noting that Nox Player still runs on Android 9. This might limit compatibility with the latest games, so keep that in mind. I tested it out with Clash of Clans on my GTX 1050 PC, and the experience was smooth sailing. The gameplay was buttery smooth, and I consistently got 60 FPS in most games. Why choose Nox Player? Lightweight. Doesn't drain your PC's power. Easy to use. Simple interface and customization options. Good performance. Handles most games with ease. Just a heads up, it's running on Android 9, so it might not be compatible with the newest games. LD Player. The powerhouse for serious gamers. If you're a hardcore gamer and demand the best performance, LD Player is your go-to emulator. It's specifically designed to handle demanding games like BGMI and CODM, delivering smooth gameplay and high frame rates. You can customize controls to your liking, crank up the frame rate to 120 FPS, and enjoy low-latency gameplay for a competitive edge. I put LD Player to the test with BGMI on my mid-range PC, and the results were impressive. The game ran smoothly, with no lag or stuttering. Why choose LD Player? Optimized for heavy games, handles demanding titles with ease, high performance, smooth gameplay and high frame rates, customizable controls. Tailor the experience to your preferences. A word of caution: performance can vary depending on your PC's hardware, so keep that in mind. MEmu Play. A versatile choice for gamers and app lovers. MEmu Play is a reliable emulator that offers a great balance of performance and user-friendliness. It's a good choice for both gaming and general app use. With MEmu Play, you can enjoy games in stunning 4K resolution, and it's optimized for both Intel and AMD CPUs. The user-friendly interface lets you easily drag and drop apps, and you can tweak various settings to get the best performance. I tested it out with BGMI and CODM, and the gameplay was smooth, with no stuttering or frame drops. Just keep in mind that 4K gaming might require powerful hardware. Why choose MEmu Play? User-friendly, easy to navigate and use. 4K support. Enjoy stunning visuals. Optimized for both Intel and AMD, works well on different hardware. A quick tip: you might need to tweak some settings to get the best performance on older hardware. And there you have it, folks. These are the top BlueStacks alternatives to supercharge your low-end PC gaming experience. Whether you're a casual gamer diving into the world of mobile gaming or a developer testing your latest app, these emulators have got you covered. If one doesn't quite cut it, don't worry, just try another one. Happy gaming! Thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified for future videos.